Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
TV, if you wanna be on sleep with your hair is a nigga to run. Say TV, Ronsay, TV.
It no matter if you there, Kabbalah. Me no care the anything for your love I go do. Yeah, I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The burden go crazy.
So I'm first of all going to comb the hair. Make sure separate the hair. I am going to use some coconut oil because I want a little shiny look. You know, the end result, you guys see how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna add a little coconut oil onto the hair and I make sure that it's smoothly combed. And I'm gonna use this big flexi rod. Guys, this flexi rod is not the normal ones that I normally use. These are the big ones. I'm just going ahead and wrap the hair over the flexi rod. I'm not twisting, guys. Watch it carefully. I am only wrapping.
For you, I take a bullet. Me no care. Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. Then say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love, they give me a over. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah. Yeah. I want be your lover. Be your lover. Be your lover. Yeah. Baby, be my lover. Be my lover. Be my lover. Yeah. I don't like cheech now, babe. I let that beat me say for you love me, I know they fret. Yeah, yeah, Adam, 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 yeah. I love you.
So make sure you wrap them really neat. You have to make sure that you get the hair all together. And once you don't wrap on them, they should actually look like so, very neat, like this. So if it's not that neat, guys, take a scissor and trim the hair out, and then you got this neat look, because everything should be curly. It should be well put together, and the curls will come out amazingly, beautifully. And so you gotta make sure you do that. You trim the hair once you see something hanging out.
For you, but Adam, your body do me something better. Oh, Adam, I love you. Yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah. For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care. Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever.
So now it's done. I'm going to go ahead and first of all, I'm gonna prepare hot water. And as you can see, I'm going to first add hot water on the flexi rods. I'm gonna make sure I boil some more water. After doing this one, just gonna go ahead with just the water, and then I'm gonna boil more water and then add and then I'm going to do second time again. Add the hot water in a bowl, and then I'm going to make sure I add some conditioner, and I'm going to go for the second time. Just go through.
I let that beat me say for you love me, I know they fret.
And so because I want defined curves, I want it to be really defined and really bouncy. So I did it for the second time, guys. Try this method, you're gonna have amazing results. Wow, look at this. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next week on my next video. Peace out.